Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make a toasted cheese sandwich. This is my favourite way of making a toasted cheese sandwich. So I've already cut the cheese, but I get just some cheap bread because it doesn't really matter. You don't need, like the thick, expensive sourdough one can sometimes be too much. So yeah, just get some thin, cheap bread, and now I'll cut to when I put the cheese on the bread. Alright, so I've put the cheese on the bread, and usually I put butter on there as well, but I kind of forgot, but that's alright. So I also have avocado here, and this will be really nice with the cheese, but you need to put a bit of salt and pepper on there as well, because sometimes it can be a little bit too bland. So this is with avocado, salt and pepper cheese. Alright, so I'm putting the sandwich in the toasted cheese maker. And it's in there, if you can see. And that's ready to cook. It says cooking. Alright, so it's ready, I think. Yep. So there, it's cooking. Alright, so here's the final product. If that's the cheese. If you can focus. Yeah, it's a cheese. There you go. So it's a avocado, salt and pepper and cheese toasted.